super excited. So we just finished a new build, but it is called the Roadrunner, special executive model that we built for Mike at Truck Camper Adventure. We partnered with him on that. So we've done a huge amount of upgrades to the unit for him, specific to his, but this will kind of be the Cadillac of our models. It'll have a lot of our options as standard equipment, and I'll kind of give you a brief run through of what we did for him, and I'll point out some of the super custom stuff that he did. So it is a hard-sided unit. It's got a 104-inch floor. Dry weight on this unit is about 2450, so it's definitely for a 3/4 ton or larger truck. Short bed 6.5 or 6 3/4 bed is what it will fit. So insulated windows are on this unit. This is going to be a standard feature instead of an option, so these units will always have the insulated window. This here is from Stable Camper. This is something Mike requested that we add for him to try from them. So this side, pretty streamlined on this side. You got your single patio like here, and then back here in the boot, this is just storage. This is just additional storage. It does have water lines running down inside for some of your low point drains. And then rather than the low point drain on the inside, we actually have low point drains on the outside under the skirt itself. It's for easier access. Bottle opener is always something everyone can handle. This is standard in all of the units now this year, and then he upgraded to the electric jacks as well for his off-road use. So at the back of the unit, standard bench style cassette. So it's what this access door is for here. You got your fresh water fill for the cassette, black water tank, and then the fresh water for this cassette is located in the tank itself, and there's a clear tube along this side that you can see your water level for once you fill it. Standard entry door that we use, detachable screen with the slider plate, and then the door is black like normal. And then the rear ladder for access to the roof as well. Standard 7-way plug out the back, just like all of our units. And then you do have the tail lights here that kind of have it integrated into them as well. So it keeps the back of the camper extremely streamlined. On the driver's side of the unit, it's kind of where all the nuts and bolts are located. So new this year for all of our models is the Truma. So this compartment here houses his Truma complete. He did upgrade to the Plus unit, so he does have the 110 option, which is a custom upgrade that he requested. But all of your Truma access is there. Below that, you have just boot storage as well in the back, and then access to some of your plumbing there. This is your intake and the exhaust for the Truma. That's what this little round one is here next to that. And then, of course, the outside shower docking station. So you've got hot and cold faucet, tank and city water. This is your hookup for that. And then, of course, we've got the dual USB charging station on the outside as well. Again, another patio light here. Black vent on top of the window is your range hood exhaust. So it does have a range hood on the inside, and that's just the exhaust for that. Standard 30 amp power cord, twist lock plug. The standard marine cord, twist lock plug. LP compartment is large enough for 2 bottles. We do only put 1 bottle in it, but it is large enough where you can put a second bottle if you want. We also still did give him a gravity fill option, and that is actually located inside this LP compartment. So you've got your twist for fresh water fill from a jug or low water pressure on the inside of that compartment as well. Then your single LP regulator. The door is vented, and because of that, we are able to put a lock on the LP compartment itself. So again, pretty streamlined, just like all of our units, with the insulated windows and the upgrades on the outside. So just a quick look on the outside of the Roadrunner.